Hello friends, how are you guys? Today we have a very unique unboxing experience from am.co.za, and this is an intelligent handheld inkjet printer. So we will tell you the process as to how to order and everything a little later, but we have a unique code by which you can get 500 Rand discount on the device. If you like the device, you should definitely opt for that code, and then you will get it delivered at your home for free. And then let's check it out. What is it called? Intelligent handheld inkjet printer. So this is a Bluetooth device with a 0.5 to 1 inch ink, and then it has a 4.3 inch touch screen, and it can print up to 600 dpi kind of things. So this is smaller and lighter, and you have two variants available, half inch and 1 inch kind of mechanism. So let's check it out. On the size, it's a simple box. On the bottom as well, the same things are written, which is written on the top as well. So let's check it out. Let's open the same. So the ordering mechanism will tell you a little bit later, or we will tell you in the details as well. So this is the contents of the package. So we have this grid by which we can roll our handheld printer into the same thing so that we can align it with the paper. So this is how you can print it. So this is a nice addition. It's a definitely kind of a steel kind of thing that we have got. Inside the package we have the handheld device. Wow, it looks really nice. This is the first time I have got a kind of mechanism by which you can print something with your hands. So basically, as you will see, it's a GoPrinter from am.co.za. You can contact them on 06006006000, and then and you can order this from Buy This. So available at buythis.co.za online store. Process of ordering is really simple. So you just have to make a profile on buythis.co.za, and then just search for GoPrinter. When you search for GoPrinter, add it to your cart and then put the address details and everything, and then our unique code, which is being displayed on the screen, just put it, and then you will get 500 Rand discount. So this particular device is around 1999, including one cartridge and this machine, and then this machine can be reused again and again. So let's check out the machine first so that we know what it is. So this is the place where you have to slide it like this, and then the thing will be printed on whatever wherever you want to get it printed. So this is a handheld printer, and it can print on all surfaces, most of the surfaces. It has an inbuilt screen as well, which can be charged because there is a rechargeable battery at the bottom. So this is the thing. So let's check out the other things that we have got along with the handheld printer. So what we have got is an ink cartridge. So this ink cartridge is in black color. So it's a black cartridge, and then it's a dry assorted absorption surface, and do not remove while the printer is on. Remove and recap after use. And it says that store between 5 to 30 degrees and humidity between 60 to 80%. Avoid direct sunlight. Do not expose nozzle to the air for long period. Do not refill this cartridge, and you have to ensure that the it can only be used inside this particular device. So this is a GoPrinter kind of thing which is inside this package. Then we definitely have a charger. We have a charger by which we can charge our device, and then we have something here, or it's kind of a stylus. So I think this is a capacitive screen or a display by which we can touch it as well. So this is what we have inside the contents of the package. So we are not throwing the box away, but keeping all the things together. So let's check it out, the device. So as you can see, it has a on and off button on the back. So let's check it out. As soon as we on the same, we have a GoPrinter thing working for us, and then the date is on 2020 17th May, Sunday, so which we can definitely go and check out. So yeah, it is a touch screen, but with stylus as well you can do it. So you can do 2025. So now we are set with 2025. We can click OK. The month is a little bit 6. Okay, and today's date is around 24, I think. Okay. So time we can schedule now. So time of shooting of the video is 15 and let's say 17. Okay, and that's fine. and we can have a Gregorian calendar, Islamic calendar, or Jalali date, or don't need. Then we have a file management system whereby which we can see all the files. So let's take out the sticker so that you can better see properly. So now it's fine, so we don't need. Then we have a sensor, encoder, sensor off, information is there, manufacturer information, software and all that stuff is there. You have the ketone, screen management and all that stuff. Then other, you can have different kind of languages, from so many languages you have, and then input format, routine, Bluetooth and all that stuff. So this is how the settings is. And then if you want to print, you can see how you can print. So this is how basically it's a test file that has been scheduled. So you have so many settings inside this particular device, and it also shows you how much battery and everything is left. So you can do edit, and then you can write let's say we can write so see. So basically once your device is on, we need to insert the cartridge so that we can start printing the same. So I definitely intend to use this for my journaling and all that stuff, because this is a place where we can use a lot of stuff. We can put the date and everything. So this one has a unique ink design, and you can keep the cap so that you can reuse it again and again. So basically now we have to insert it nicely, so that we have to check how to insert and all that stuff. So the ink cartridge is like that. So RFID touch is there, so we have to match this the things on the bottom with this particular thing. So just to tell you that how to insert the cartridge, because it takes a little bit of movement. So you have to insert the cartridge like that. So you have to open this thing and then just slide this cartridge like this. So this particular thing should come in this particular window. So you just slide the cartridge, and then once the cartridge is slided, so it takes a little bit of movement and pressure so that it gets inserted into this particular block. So don't worry about it, and then just push the whole mechanism down, and then it will be inserted into the same. So once it gets inserted, automatically this thing gets closed. So yeah, so once the ink cartridge is inserted into the same, we just need a paper, and then let's switch it on. So we are switching the device on, and as soon as your device is on, we can check out what we have to print. So we will see there is 0000 written. So let's bring up a paper, and then let's check it out. So this is just a random paper that we are doing, and so as you can see, this is how it's writing the Life's Way. So we have cleared the whole section, and now we can start writing again so that we write properly. So it's better to use the stylus because the wordings are very small, so then it will be easier. So let's check out, say write our name, enter, or no need to enter, I think that will be right. And then so this is it, and then we can increase the size or something of that sort as well. So I think that's fine. And then while you are printing, you have to press this particular button. So there is a button at the bottom. So once you press it, then it starts writing. So you will see how it writes. So it has whatever the text or whatever you want to print, you just have to put it like that, and the font and everything can be changed, I'm sure. So if going back, we can change the start signal, we can change how the sensor and everything, and then we can change the distance and everything, we can change the printer and all that stuff. So this is how the thing is. It has so many features, and then you can delete this particular section and then write something else. Let's say what you want to write, or if you want to load some image or something, that you can also do. So from the files, if you can put some kind of test files. So basically this is how the whole mechanism prints and everything, and then we are going to load some files into our pen drive and then test it out again. Meanwhile, you can see that how it prints, and then it's kind of a printer that we have never seen before. So this is perfect for journaling. You can put date, you can put your various characters and everything, and just print it, glide it on your whatever surface you want to print these things on, and it will print. Wow, this is the first time I have seen such a kind of printer, which is so handy, rechargeable. Then the ink color is available in multiple variants, and the same website also has a different kind of inks. So you just have to refer to that GoPrinter kind of inks, and this is how the thing is. So this is the ink mechanism. Don't touch it, but then this is how the thing is. Then you can also make use of the particular steel plate, and then put it a printer like this, and then automatically it will get inserted between the slots, and you will see that how it writes. So it gets fixed inside the slots, and then between this slot, and then you can just see this is how it's going to roll, and then this is how it's going to print. So you will know where it's going to print as well. So this is how the whole mechanism is that we have for GoPrinter.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.